What are operators in JavaScript?
Operators are symbols that let you perform actions on values or variables in JavaScript. They are the building blocks for creating logic, working with numbers, and making decisions in your code. The two most common types are arithmetic operators for calculations and logical operators for comparing values. Let's explore what these operators do and how to use them effectively.
Arithmetic operators, the basics.
Arithmetic operators allow you to perform math calculations in JavaScript. Some examples include plus, or plus for addition, minus, or subtraction, asterisk for multiplication, slash for division, and percent for getting the remainder. For example, 5 plus 3 equals 8, while 10% 3 equals 1. These operators are essential for working with numbers in your code.
Logical operators controlling flow.
Logical operators help your code make decisions by combining or comparing expressions. The most common are and or, and not. For example, true and false returns false, while true or false returns true. These operators are used in conditions to check if one or more statements are true or false.
How to use arithmetic and logical operators together.
Often in JavaScript, arithmetic and logical operators work together. For example, you might check if the sum of two numbers is greater than 10 using a plus b greater than 10. You can also combine logical operators like x is greater than 0 and x is less than 100 to make more complex decisions. Mastering both sets of operators is key for writing effective JavaScript programs.
Practice makes perfect.
To really understand arithmetic and logical operators, practice writing simple JavaScript expressions. Try calculations using different numbers and test various logic combinations in conditions. The more you use these operators, the more comfortable you'll become at solving programming problems and writing efficient code.